Do you drink?
It's Ahmedabad. It's banned here. Do you drink?
Well, friends, let's ask Ahmedabad and know whether Ahmedabadis drink or not. Who all drinks over here? To be honest, yeah.
Everyone except me.
Sorry?
He doesn't drink other.
Everyone except you.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice, yeah. We got a guy who doesn't drink. To drink.
Not rarely.
Not rarely, okay. Who all drinks over here? Honest answers. I'm not visible. सपोर्ट करते हो ये बैन को यहाँ पे गुजरात में?
जैसे कि यहाँ पे क्राइम नहीं होते हैं, उसका सबसे बड़ा रीज़न यही है कि यहाँ पे बैन है। तो मुझे लगता है कि सही है, बैन होना चाहिए। हमारे राजस्थान में एक्चुअली बहुत क्राइम होते हैं इसके लिए। अच्छा। तो बैन सही है।
बैन को सपोर्ट करते हो?
फुल टू यार, बैन होना ही चाहिए यार।
होना ही चाहिए।
हाँ, बैन में जो रह के पीना है उसमें अलग मजा है।
It's good that it's banned.
It's good. So, but you know, because of the ban, these underground market and black smuggling and all increases, right?
Yes.
So, are you in favor of that or also?
No, I'm not in.
Is it difficult? Sorry.
See, I don't live here.
Okay, you don't live. Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai and I drink a lot. But when I come to Ahmedabad, there's no alcohol. I mean, we get alcohol on permit and license and all, but it's just like 1 or 2 bottles a month. So it's like a big issue when I come here. I need alcohol. So I would like to know what Modi, right?
Modi, yeah.
Please legalize alcohol. Please, and weed too. I just can't stay. It's like
I support it as well, and I have my reasons for it. I think it's a major security booster in a way, because most of the crimes that are happening in the country, like rape, like other crimes as well, they're drinking.
Rape is happening in Gujarat as well. So that's not a correct justification.
But if that in itself is there, even drink and drive, that has the word drink in it. So that those are crimes that are committed seriously on the basis of alcohol. So because alcohol is restricted,
So can you say Gujarat is the safest city?
न्यूज़ आर्टिफिकेट नहीं है. So yeah, but I think
Banning alcohol doesn't mean that you are promoting crime or you are substantially reducing crime. So it has nothing to do with crime as such.
I think it's a major security enhancer. I think the women feel a lot safer going out at night because alcohol is not there. Men, they won't be drunk men. They won't be Salman Khan driving over people. So I think it's a major security booster in a way. Exactly. You are saying that वैसे ही मिल रहा है तो बैन निकालने का फायदा नहीं. Prostitution बैंकॉक में वैसे ही लोग जा रहे तो prostitution भी हटा दो. That's not the solution. You need to think about the thinking that was there behind banning such a thing and whether that is right or not. Now if you tell me the reason that गांधी जी यहाँ पैदा हुए थे इसीलिए बैन किया, okay, that's a stupid reason. वो इंग्लैंड जाके खुद पीते होंगे, वहाँ ठंड थी. तो मतलब बट इफ यू आर सेइंग कि हमने इसीलिए बैन किया कि लेडीज के लिए सेफ्टी है एंड it's promoting a better environment for the people, then yeah, I think that's a good enough reason. But telling me that महात्मा गांधी बियर के अगेंस्ट is a bit way.
आप क्या सपोर्ट करते हो बैन को?
बहुत अच्छी बात है, दारू बंद है यार, और होना भी नहीं चाहिए हमारे जैसे शहरों के. कोकेन, LSD, एक्सटेसी, चरस, गांजा, MDMA, क्या क्या हो रहा है, कितनी नस्लें बर्बाद हो रही है. अगर आप देखने जाओगे तो गांधी जी के टाइम से हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं है और ये होने वाली भी नहीं है. अगर होने वाली होती तो कब से हो जाती. इंसान चांद पे चला गया, अभी तक तो बहुत देर हो गई है ये चीज़ के लिए.
So, have you ever,
No, never.
Do you ever think that ban on alcohol will be lifted up in Gujarat? Is it a possibility?
Ban on alcohol. I think, see, first of all, the Gujarat is a Gandhian state, right?
Yeah.
So it's good to be banned alcohol here. Because let's say I don't think so any of the state or any of the city in the whole world it's a dry state or dry city. No. My GK is somewhat weak, I think so. So it's good. I follow Gandhi. I think we all follow Gandhi. In all pockets we have Gandhi.
जनता इतनी है कि वो रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से पी सकती है, बाहर आके दंगा नहीं करती, किसी को परेशान नहीं करती, तो इट्स गुड. हटना चाहिए बैन. आप जाओगे यहाँ से गुजरात की बाउंड्री से बाहर तो यू कैन सी 90% ऑफ व्हीकल्स पार्क आउटसाइड किंगफिशर. इट्स फ्रॉम गुजरात ओनली. तो यहाँ से वहाँ पीने जाते हैं. इससे अच्छा है कि यहाँ पर हो बट लिमिट में हो, रिस्पॉन्सिबली पिए लोग, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
This ban will ever get lifted? Like it will be repealed? Do you think so?
For people, for Gujarati people especially, I don't think it would be lifted.
ये सेफ्टी है ऐसा कुछ है?
No, people who booze, they do. It's not necessary. But if you're getting high, so there are people who will be like moving around teasing girls and all. It's not necessary that it is like banned. So then only it would be like.
How hard is it to get booze in Ahmedabad?
Very. Being girls, obviously, it's very hard for us. We cannot go out for all those places where you get booze and all.
We can't go to Ratanpur and all.
So friends, this was Ahmedabad on alcohol ban.
Don't drink and drive. Obey the laws.
And comment down below.
Like the video. Subscribe to the Gangsters.tv.
And comment down below.
No. Like, subscribe.
And comment down below.
Subscribe.
Comment down below.
Subscribe the video. Like the video. Like the video. Subscribe.